Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and tonight we're going to do a tutorial on our Envee kits. So Envee kits is something that my daughter Paige created here at the greenhouse, and we've been doing these for a couple of years now. And basically it is a really beautiful designed planter mix that we start for you in these little dishes. You buy this dish, you take it home and you pop it into your beautiful planter you already have. It's economical, but you also get like these really cool designs. So this one in particular is called Melisandre. So we always put a little sticker on there. This little tray is called a plant pie, and it's just a perfect size for the plants you put in and growing it long enough for you to take home. So Melisandre looks like this. So these are the plants that are in the Melisandre. It's rich reds and a beautiful golden yellow. And grown out, this is a beautiful planter. So every single plant pie that you get would come with, it would be accompanied by the card. So if you buy this with the Melisandre, it comes with the card. And on the back of it, it shows the plants and shows the specific names of those plants. This is where we plant them. This is great for us when we're planting, and it's great for you to kind of get an idea of how to create those mixes at home. This mix will grow really good in the sun. So I'm going to get started and show you how we do this. I am going to look at the card to do it. So here we go. We take our double board. This is pre-filled with potting soil, and there is some slow release fertilizer. We just give it a little stamp, and it shows us where to place those plants. Okay, so right in the center, we're gonna put a canna, and this is a bronze scarlet. So bronze leaf with a red colored flower on it. Right in the middle, there it goes. On either side, we have 2 red osteos, or 1 on each side, I guess. These are osteos. Oh, no, that's a calibrachoa. I grabbed the wrong one. We've got 2 osteos here. Osteos would be that beautiful deep red daisy. So this one in particular is called Osteo Zion Red. And we're just gonna make a tiny little hole and put that in there. And we really like to space these particularly because this could be transplanted into a planter anywhere from like a 13-inch to an 18-inch. And it's gonna fill out those pots beautifully. Okay, so the next plant we're going to put in, we've got a coleus. This coleus is called Under the Sea Pink Reef, and it's got beautiful color. Look at the pink and the deep rusty red edged in green and the serrated edge. These coleus were actually, I believe they were bred, they're created at the University of Saskatchewan, and they're by a little brand called chore. They are hard to get. We do have to do some specific ordering to get these. But let's see, where does this go? This goes on this side right here. Okay, I'm just mirroring the design, which is super handy. Then next we've got 2 plants that are a Lismachia. So Lismachia is also known as Creeping Jenny. And this is called, I believe, Midnight Sun. And so in the picture here, you see the beautiful gold little flowers. Those are on the Lismachia leaf. So you see that leaf? That is the Lismachia leaf, and they do get covered in little gold flowers. So those go opposite of each other. One on one side and one on the other. Okay. And then next we have another coleus. Am I doing this right? Yes, I hope I am. Oh no, I got this one in the wrong spot. That's what's throwing me off. This one goes here. Okay. Okay, then in that spot at the back, we have a potato vine or Ipomea. And we just get one that has this rusty red brown color, and sometimes the exact variety changes because of supply issues, but we order a couple different colors of the rusty red. We try to put this heart one. Look at that beautiful heart shaped leaf. We put the heart shaped leafed one, so that's going to go here at the back. And then then we have the Lismachia here. Oh, then goes the next coleus. So this coleus is called Main Street, Beale Street, Beale Street. It's called Beale Street. Look at the gorgeous red tones. This is a stunning coleus. I love it in this mix. Really rich red. So that goes right there. And we have one more plant. We have a calibrachoa. Oh, you know what? I put this one in the wrong spot too. So that one goes there. Okay, calibrachoa. So this is the Aloha Kona Cherry Red. I really love the red on this. For a long time, red calibrachoa was a little bit weaker compared to other colors, but over the years, they've made a really strong red and a plant that grows really well, and this one really does that. So it's gonna need a little pinch later. I'm gonna leave the flower on for now just because it's so darn pretty, and plant that. So with all of these plants, I have planted them level with the soil level. We don't dig a deep hole and bury it under. We do want to have it level. And in about 2 weeks, we'll come back and look at all of them and give them a little pinch or haircut. The coleus are going to need a pinch. The calibrachoa definitely. Even the osteo, if we pinch out the heart there of that osteo, it will branch a lot nicer. So it's going to be a gorgeous mix. Again, that's the Melisandre. And yeah, I will also post the digital copy of the picture here and the recipe on the back for you just after this video. So thank you for watching, and we will have these available in store early May, probably till June, depending on how quickly they sell. But we do have quite a number of recipes. We have 10 solid ones, but we have a whole bunch more designs we're adding to the grow list this year. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.